Welcome to this session of Being Online. This weekly calendar depicts whatever concepts we have studied so far. Students, you must note down all the definitions. Last week, we studied mathematical functions in Excel. This week, we are studying logical function if in Excel. Check the definition and check the syntax. In syntax, students, you must be observing that if condition takes three arguments: condition, true, and false part. If the condition is evaluated as true, then the true part specified is displayed. If the condition is evaluated as false, then the false part specified gets displayed. Either the true or false part gets displayed, not both. This will be clear from one example. In this example, in A1 column, minus 25 is entered and the condition is if A1 greater than 0, which is not, so false part will get displayed. In false part, we have written number is negative. Check the output, student. In B column, number is negative is displayed. In A2 column, we have entered 10. Condition is A2 greater than 0, which is true. So the true part will be displayed. In true part, we have written number is positive. In B2 column, number is positive is displayed. In this if function, condition part is A3 greater than equal to 500. True part is high, false part is low. Now we will check what we have entered in A3 column. In A3 column, we have entered 500. So the condition A3 greater than equal to 500 becomes true. So the true part high gets displayed. Now we will check what we entered in A5 column. A5 column contains 200. So A5 greater than 500, this condition becomes false. So the false part gets displayed, that is low. In this demonstration of if function, from cell A3 to A6, we will enter age. The age could be anywhere between 1 to 100. In cell B3, we will write if a function. This example demands that we should display whether one is eligible to vote or whether one is minor depending on age. We know that whosoever is more than or equal to 18 is eligible to vote. So this thing will become our condition. We write A3 greater than equal to 18. This becomes condition part. If one is more than 18, then one is eligible to vote. So, we write eligible to vote and this becomes true part. If one is less than 18, then one is minor. So we write you are minor and this becomes the false part. When we press enter, the message is displayed. Here age is 22, which is more than 18. So true part eligible to vote gets displayed. Suppose we copy this if function to all other columns, depending on the age, appropriate message gets displayed. In this example of if condition, from cell A3 to A6, we will enter marks. This problem demands that we should display pass or work hard depending on marks. If marks are more than or equal to 50, pass should be displayed. If marks are less than 50, work hard should be displayed. So, our condition should check marks should be more than or equal to 50. A3 greater than or equal to 50. This becomes the condition part. If marks are more than 50, then pass should be displayed. So pass becomes the true part. If marks are less than 50, then work hard should be displayed. So work hard becomes the false part. Pressing enter will display. Now, students, just observe, if we copy this if function to all the other rows, then appropriate message depending on marks gets displayed. In this example, from cell A3 to A6, we are entering cost price. This example demands us to calculate profit or loss. So to calculate profit or loss, from cell B3 to B6, we need to enter sales price. As you know, when cost price is less than sales price, it's a profit. But when cost price is not less than sales price, it's a loss. So we will be putting if condition in cell C3. To calculate profit or loss, we will be using cost price from A3 column and sales price from B3 column. So we write in cell C3 if, and then A3 is less than B3. This thing becomes condition part. If this condition part is correct, then profit should be displayed. So profit will become true part. If this condition is not correct, then loss should be displayed. So loss will become false part. When we press enter, the message gets displayed according to the cost price and sales price. After copying, proper message gets displayed.